So this video is taken with a parrot, Bebop. It's not a bad quality image actually and video footage for a parrot Bebop. And it wasn't an exceptionally bright day, it was sort of overcast. So it's not a bad video. I have to say though, I did do a little bit of editing on this. Color, contrast, practically everything. But with the parrot Bebop, stability isn't great. So this is a windy area. And some of the video footage was flickering. I had to edit that out. Stability wasn't great. And sometimes this drone tends to get a bit out of range and you have to struggle to bring it back. So the new parrot obviously is a bit more advanced, but this is the old parrot. But for a beginner, it's not a bad drone. So would I recommend it? Yeah, it's not that expensive. Even if you damage it, you're not out of a pocket for a great deal of money. So knock yourself out.